right, traders. So what do you do when you haven't been trading for a while and you're coming back and you're ready to trade? You've been on vacation, whatever it might be, and you're ready to get back in the seat. So this is what I do. So first thing I do is I pull up my trade calculator. There's a link in the description below if you want to get something like this. And I check just kind of see where we're at in the account, how we've been doing. March, pretty good month, $3,100. So pretty, 3,100, pretty sweet. And for those of you who don't know, just a reminder, this is my social media trading account. I will never trade with big money in this account. You know, I trade with a full PDT in it sometimes with a small account, offshore, etc. But you're never going to see me making thousands and thousands of dollars every day in this account. Family rules, not allowed to show you what my actual portfolio does for the family account. So I do have this educational trading account, if you will, that I show here on social media. And really, it's almost better to have losing days than winning days, because I think you all win or learn a lot more from my losers than you do from my winners. Like when I make mistakes, I think that's more educational and more beneficial to you than my winners. So I prefer to show you losers over winners, but sometimes we get a bunch of winners, so it is what it is. But so that's basically the deal with this account. It's purely for education for my students and to showcase my algorithm and to try different trading experiments and so forth. So there we go. So this little account that I'm not going to be trading with big giant money is actually doing really, really well this month, which is sweet. So check that out. The next thing I know is I look at my scaling ladder and see where we're at. So I want to know what I should be risking and losing for tomorrow. So we're at $100 a trade right now, only 2 trades away from bumping up to the 150 level, which is going to be awesome. So, and this automatically fills in based on what's happening in my account. It automatically knows what I want and turns green and tells me what I can trade. So $100 risk reward is where we're at. And then if I blow into, I might have 5 winners in a row, big winners, boom, I'm right here. I'm not gonna bump it up to 150 tomorrow. I'll wait till the following day, or depending on what happens with the next step, I may wait longer. So the next step is get my backtest blocks, make a copy of it over here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go back 30 days. 90 days I do a backtest to vet it for portfolio purposes, and then we do 30 days. I do 30 days once after it's simmed, and it's something I've been trading for a while, and I trade the same tickers every day. So I do a 30-day just to kind of get a nice clean snapshot without all the other noise to see where we're at on the 30-day. When I have all these winners, do I want to jump in and trade this tomorrow? I mean, this is what it looks like over the last 30 days. No losers on the simple switch day trading strategy, the normal one. This is my switchback strategy, and this is my open range strategy. Not looking real strong, but we do have a winner right here. We do have some winners here. So, maybe I don't trade CVS. Maybe I wait for it to have a loser and then jump into it, because it's a pretty big win streak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, it's pretty big. So I'm not going to trade CVS tomorrow as part of my game plan. I want to get on a winning trade and then keep going from there. I don't want to start with losers. So, and I might miss a bunch of winners to avoid that one loser, which means I could have made a lot more money than I would have. But from a psychological standpoint, I don't want to come back after time off and jump into losing trades. So won't be taking CVS tomorrow. And then I'm going to back test the rest of these and see how they do as well, to kind of give me a performance snapshot to see if I want to trade them or not. And maybe I wait for my whole portfolio for each one to show up red. We'll see what it looks like. Like right here on the opening range, hasn't been 2 losers in a row in the last 30 days. And really there hasn't been in the last 90 days. So maybe I wait for a loser. Over here, we've had a bunch of losers in a row. We have a lot of winners and some zeros. Zeros are when I speed bump it and it's a wash. So, I'm looking for a 0 or a loss here before I jump in, and same here, looking for a loss. So anyway, and I'll do that with all my tickers that are in my portfolio, 5 of them right now. And this way I get a good look at what's happening on Monday, get a good plan, and then feel good about trading it. And then I can feel confident in my trades, because now I know what the probability is of winning or losing. And I think that's the most important thing, is having a proven statistical probability of success before you enter a trade that fits your plan, your lifestyle, and your goals. So by doing this, I'll have that. So there you go. That's the game plan for Monday. I'll trade Monday. I might trade Tuesday a little bit, and then I probably won't trade again until the following week, because I'll be back bouncing around. So Everybody, have an awesome rest of the weekend or night, and then good luck tomorrow, and we'll see what we can put up there on this channel. Everybody, see ya.